In the beginning, it literally states that first it was dark and then there was light. I'm a firm believer that thought and water has always been here. And I'm pretty sure that what we call Earth used to be Venus before it was created to what it is now. Venus is the planet of love, and it's one of the key ingredients or resources that we need to evolve further as a civilization. Whenever you think about becoming a crystalline being, an angelic being, it's all about love. Now, how I saw this in my mind's eye was definitely the snowflakes. Whenever it snows or water freezes and you're saying good things to it, it turns into these beautiful snowflakes, which no snowflake is exactly alike. Technically, no human is exactly alike, which would make sense even though we all make up snow, like a blanket of snow. When you say bad things to the snow, it turns really, really disgusting, basically. And you can see that through the power of your words. And through many recent videos that I have posted about how we talk to ourselves, and ourselves has a big part of our health. Now you gotta think that if water has been here that long, water is one of the oldest things in the universe. First there's thought, then that's air, then there is water, and it's also emotion, and then you have fire and earth. Basically, if water is the oldest thing here, it literally holds all of the information since the beginning of time. So if you have water in your body right now, which we are about 70%, maybe more, then that means you have all the keys to the beginning of the universe within inside of you. All the thoughts, all of the emotions, everything is in you. And you, and you, and you, and you, and you, and me, and a cat, and a plant, and anything that contains water, because water was here first, and this was the planet Venus in the beginning. And the way that the earth was formed is literally lava coming out of water. And as the lava cooled, it made land masses all over. And it's continuing to do that over and over and over again on a continuous basis, because what you call Gaia is actually another being. She's growing as if a toddler moves on to an adolescent, or an adolescent moves on to an adult, and our bodies change. So does Earth. Earth grows just like a person. And as crazy as all of this sounds, there was literally a huge fire in the middle of the ocean, and it's basically proving that this is how the form of the earth really is created. It's lava coming from the inside, because just like there's a sun on the outside, there's a sun on the inside of us, and it is literally our light body, our Merkaba. The other day I was gifted with being able to see what the Merkaba actually looks like, and I'm going to show you the picture because it was probably the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. And it was a sheer curtain over a mirror, and the mirror was reflecting the sun back to me. And so the picture that it reflected back to my eye was just so beautiful, like you have to see it to understand. I literally heard my thoughts say, "This is you." And then I heard Ka, just K-A, which is the God essence within inside all of us, where you get Merkaba, the light body, that is your soul, your God. And yes, everyone has one. Some are just not as bright as the others. Some look like Pluto, and some look like the sun.